Hello viewers, it's Peter Elgar again here with another one of my treasures that I've been given lately. Lots of kind people in the area give me old cameras and stuff, and this is one that I've been given. It came in this wonderful leather brown case which I've put some neat's foot oil on. I showed you my video on neat's foot oil, and this, it must be at least 80 years old. It's a ZEISS IKON Folding camera, and when we looked at it, there was a film inside it. Would you believe it? So we opened the back, and this has been lubricated, so it should open up easier now. It takes 120 film, and when I looked, there was a film inside. It was a Kodak very chrome pan. Here's the backing paper of it. Haven't seen that for about 35 years. It's been discontinued all that time, very chrome pan. So I told the lady who gave it to me, I'll develop it and see what's on it. And blow me, there was some negatives on it. And she was over the moon because the camera belonged to her father-in-law, and the pictures on it was of her late husband family. Now these are some negatives. I got 5 usable ones out of the 8, and I developed that in DK50, diluted 1+1 with water, and I thought I'd give it about 10 minutes. That was a good guess. They look pretty dense. Now I thought, is it overdeveloped? No, it's overexposed because I had to use a hard grade of paper to get the prints out. But these are some of the negatives, and then there was an end bit of film which was all folded and horrible like that with nothing on it. So I got 5 out of the 8 pictures. Now she's given me permission to show some results. So there's one of the results I printed, a 10x8 picture of family members. It looks like it's Hastings Pier in East Sussex, which is now burnt down, and this bit is just a remaining shell of burnt out, and all this bit connecting is all gone. That must be at least 35 years ago. But look at this, but they're right on the edge of the frame. That's because the viewfinder is very poor in these old cameras. We'll have a look at the camera now in detail and see what you can see. This is the viewfinder. It's a reflex viewing one. The light goes in there from the subject and it comes out the top. And if you want an upright one, you have it that way, and if you want a landscape one, you normally turn it that way. But you've got to look into this tiny little viewfinder there, unless you fold out a direct vision viewfinder like that, and you look through here and line up your subject. But whoever took the other one didn't line it up because they're right on the edge of the picture. What are the features of this ZEISS IKON from about 80 years ago? It has a 105mm f7.7 lens, and I think the people who took it used full aperture all the time because they weren't very sharp. It's got ZEISS IKON here. There's only 2 instantaneous shutter speeds. One is the 75th and the other one is brief time and time exposure. So we'll put it on 25th. It's not very good for modern films because they're too sensitive. So there we are. There's not much you can do. Here's a focusing. Now the focus is in, because it's German, it's in meters. And I think the person who took it also didn't realise that it was in meters, because 3 meters here is just over 9 feet away, you see, in feet. but this is in meters, M for meters. So you have to be careful when you pull it out. You make certain these struts are all nice and straight. Make certain that bit is parallel with your film, and there's no light leaks. I can't see any light leaks. But what I did do, I opened the shutter on time, so we put that to push that across the T. The shutter's open now, and we'll push this back gently. It's all been cleaned as much as I can. We'll open the back again, this way round, and I put a piece of ground glass screen across the back. A little bit of ground glass, which is years ago when I was at University College London, I had these made for me. Bits of ground glass. You just fit across here like that. And with the shutter open, you can focus an image on that with a magnifier. And I checked, and the focusing distances are accurate. So with these old cameras, it's down to you to guess the correct distance, because otherwise it won't be sharp. So that is what I can tell you about the ZEISS Ikon from about 1938 or so. Fellow member of the camera club, Brentwood and District Photographics, says he's got several ZEISS Ikons, and he reckons they're around 1937 to 1938, over 80 years old. About as old as me. So anyway, I'm going to have a bit of fun trying it out with some modern film, but at least you've seen some results that were taken 35 years ago. Thanks for watching.